I'm now going to show you how the device operates when you can see that the system is plugged into a speaker. So we will select complex, and I'm going to go down to immune system. So we're going to select immune system, and I'm going to push the right arrow, and that will show you all of the programs that are running within the immune system complex. Now we'll push the right arrow again, and it will show you the frequencies that are running within the first program. That first program is immune system activation. Now we'll start the immune system complex. This would be a time when you would hold the back of the device toward your body about 6 or 8 inches away. You do that until it vibrates, and then you can hear the frequencies beginning. Now immune system activation goes for 8 minutes and 50 seconds. You can hear those frequencies in the background. Now you will see that the frequency has changed to one of the next frequencies in that immune system. Now you can hear that the frequency has changed again. You will notice as the countdown clock nears 1 second that there will then be a 5-second pause, and it will shift into the next program. Now you're into strengthening, and this frequency will run for a period of time, and it will continue to change as it continues through changing the frequencies. I'm going to put it on system pause. If you want to use headphones, make sure that you have something that has a volume control, because some of the frequencies are very loud. You don't need to have this frequency playing in the background, but just be aware that when you're using your device, the field that is around the device is oscillating with those frequencies. That field extends approximately 2 feet around the device, so you want to make sure that the Swarna Guard is within your aura